Hello, this is Roxanne Kroll here with Unity Warriors team presenting you our South Korean and American logos. When we first look at the South Korean logo, we can see we picked clasped hands, and then we picked this plant, which is actually represented as a forsythia flower. According to the Seoul Metropolitan Government, the forsythia flower is actually the official flower of Seoul. And Seoul is Korean's capital city. It's an important, a lively place. And this flower symbolizes a cooperative spirit for them. We chose the color for the flower because we wanted it to actually represent it, and this is the actual color of the flower. For contrast, we use black lettering, and then for the hands, we use this red color, which is called Denchong Red. It's a traditional color in South Korea, and it symbolizes good health and peace. It's actually been used in royal structures for over 600 years and can be found a lot in Seoul. If we look at the American logo, we went with the lightning bolt because it represents power and strength, since we are Unity Warriors. We also kept the clasping hand, and then for yellow, we wanted it to represent happiness and hope, and also go with the lightning strike. And then the orange represents extroversion and interpersonal relationships, which we obviously wanted to address with the clasping of hands. As for both of them, we did decide to do the clasping of hands because it signifies the coming together and bond of people. And for the South Korean one, we actually have the forsythia sort of growing out of the bond, being a cooperative spirit growing out of the bond of people. As for the Unity Warriors, we had the power striking into the bond of people. So we are showing two different sizes here, so that we can see that there is legibility, um, from the smaller, maybe for an app or on small merchandise, versus the bigger, which would be maybe on a billboard or something like that, that it's recognizable in both ways and legible in both ways. The contrast is easy to see in any way. And the black lettering is used that color to keep it legible on both sides, and it does have the thick lettering for both. But for the American, we went a little bit more of a stencil, bold, almost military looking, like where this is a softer palette text for the Korean ones. And so altogether, these elements are easy to see and compare to each culture well. Thank you.